Y'all know what time it is?
That's right. It's vibe coding time.
All right, so I've got about 30 or 40 minutes today. That's the max time that I have that I'm going to try to go through this, and we're going to update and improve. This is going to be round 2 on the Side Hustle Finder, the quiz that we're building out. You can go back and watch video 1, but basically I fed it a lot of content that I spent years creating. So here is the doc where I'm pulling all of that data from. What this doc is side hustle, business, money-making ideas that I've developed or gotten from other sources or just kind of collected over time or thought about or whatever. And then I grade them all on these categories up here. So like this I give to my audience, but what I'm trying to do is create this tool that's like a shortcut for this that can really help someone understand like, oh, these might be the best options for me based on some questions that we asked them. And so my plan is to maybe sell this, or maybe it's a lead magnet. I'm not even sure yet, but so we're trying to finalize it here. So that's what we're doing. So one thing that I want to do is paste this. I want to clarify the scoring criteria. So I'm going to take this content, paste it here, and I'll talk through it. I'm just going to read through it all because I may edit it right now. I'm trying to think in the mind of the system or the tool and how it's going to take what I'm saying. Okay. If necessary, please adjust the score scale, let's say scoring scale, based on the following information. Time. The higher the score, the more time it takes to get a project up and running. Please take that into consideration when scoring. Investment. The higher the score, the more money that it will take someone to start up the business idea. Please take that in consideration when scoring. Tech skills. The higher the score, the more technical you need to be to run and operate the idea. Please take that into consideration. Writing skills. The higher the score, the more writing skills you need. Now, why am I saying that after each one? I'm not sure. I guess I'm just clarifying, like, hey, please take this into consideration. Design skills. The higher the score, the more design skills you need to be able to run. Please take. People skills. The higher the score, the more you need to be able to work around people and build relationships. How quick to money. The higher the score, the faster you can make money at the business or side hustle. Let me confirm that. Yeah, because the question is how quick to money. Higher the score, the faster. So I just want to clarify this. So I said a lower score. To clarify, it doesn't make the money idea better, just quicker to earn. A lower scoring idea will probably make more money in the long run. Please take that in consideration when scoring. Earning potential. The higher the score, the more overall earning potential there is for the business, even if it takes you longer to get there. I had already forgotten that I had added an additional column here because that was kind of unaccounted for in the other one. It was assumed based on the information, but kind of unaccounted for. So each score should be evenly weighted. All right, let me take this and actually add this into here. Just because I've updated it, let me just save that. That's more just for my records to know what I'm asking us to do here. And in the case we need to change anything or go backwards or something like that. All right, away we go. Thinking. Yeah, I should know pretty well when going through the quiz and answering questions in a certain way. I should know pretty well what some of the, top ideas, at least maybe a handful of those ideas that would come to mind or that would make sense. So we'll see how that works. Cool. So it's giving me all that back, but I want to go back and add this spreadsheet again and just confirm that it's getting all of its information. I just want to, ask the system to connect the dots, I guess, again. All right, I'm uploading this file again as I want to confirm that it is the same information you're using for us to create, the best possible outcomes based on the scoring model. We'll see what it says there. It's possible actually that the first spreadsheet I uploaded did not have this earning potential. Actually, I don't remember, so it's probably good that I just all right, with that said, I think we should click preview, which I guess we're on here, and let's get started. Later we'll change probably some text and stuff like that that's on the quiz, and that's no big deal. Yeah, I remember we changed a lot of the outline and outlay, the way this worked here. How much time can you commit to a side hustle? It's not real clear. Probably need to make some more adjustments here because I was just thinking like, well, like, and I feel like maybe we need a better answer here, like minimal time. Like, what is minimal time? So is that like 30 minutes? Is that an hour? Full-time commitment? That's kind of clear, I guess. Like, hey, it's going to take your full time. So, all right, a little bit of time. I feel like these need to be above the numbers, and maybe this needs to be just below it. I mean, do we even need that? Isn't it obvious that you're supposed to click on a grade? I think it's obvious. I mean, there's no other options. So I think we're going to ask it to remove that and put these above, and maybe a little bit darker text as well. So, all right, that's going to be my next grade here. All right, I've got 10 to 15 minutes left. Let's see. So how much can you invest up front? Not much money. It'd be cool. Is it possible that when you click the answer, it just goes to the next question automatically? That would be pretty cool. How would you rate your tech skills? I'm not very techie. I am a good writer. I am a good designer. Not very comfortable working with people. Need to make money kind of fast. All right, freelance writer on there. Great match. Amazon associate. Okay, need to make money quick. Want to work alone. Decent writing skills. Writing probably not that big of a deal, but notary public. Okay. Now I see 2 Amazon here because I had those answers are going to be similar. Hop on Fiverr and Flex jobs to win tasks and jobs. That's going to be, yeah, you would need to, and maybe you've never heard of those tools, but hop on there. You would need writing skills to build out your platform. Yeah, it's pretty good. So let's see all ideas. So if I click all ideas, when I click all ideas, are they in order or like, what is this? I mean, I don't know if we actually want all ideas. I think that's something we'll need to adjust as well. It's too many options, right? All ideas. So top matches should be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like that. Top 5, all ideas. All right, let me just make a note there because I feel like I should say like, or maybe we could have it be top 5 and then like top 10 and then all. I mean, I'm okay with someone seeing all. I just don't want someone to get overwhelmed with these ideas, right? So let's get back to retake. Let's adjust this. What we were talking about. Adjustments to the layout for all questions. So let's remove, please select a value as it's clear that the user needs to select a number. So I was actually going to ask it if we could automatically move to the next question. But you know what? I don't want to overcomplicate things because here's what I'm thinking. Like, yeah, it probably can. But then if someone wanted to go back, they can click back. But then when they go back, they then need to go back forward again, right? So I'm not going to do that. That may be smart, right? Me thinking through that, like, yeah, the system can probably do that, but is that a good idea? Like, is it worth my effort in probably messing up something or getting the system messed up? And probably not, for that small detail. So let's make these small changes now. Let's see if the tool can do this. It'd be pretty sweet if it can. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, do you guys really want to see me make all the small tiny changes? I'm not really sure. If you do, let me know. Let me know if it's helpful to see like all the minor changes and me thinking through it all, or if that's like boring and you want to just skip to the goodies. Let me know, and I'll keep that in mind as I'm like recording these vibe code sessions. All right, so let's see what it did. Oh, look at that. So clean. So nice. Yeah, it's obvious that you're supposed to score, right? You're supposed to just pick one. So let's say I can spend a lot of time. I can invest a lot of money. Not very tech savvy. Not a great writer. Not a good designer. But I'm good with people. And I don't have to earn money super fast. Yep. Great answers. Great answers. These are great. These are great. Oh my gosh. This would be helpful. Now, what would be super cool? Yeah. Great match for your people skills. Yep. These are good answers. What would be really cool is if I can then add more information in with these results, right? Like, do I have information? Can I point them to resources or tools, or are there other people that I know? That would be a pretty nice add-on as well, I think. That's future adjustments. All right, I want to mess one thing with design element. Let's see. So let me go just to my website real quick. So brooksconkle.com. It's kind of like, meh. Yeah, like I get it. It's not very exciting. But let me let me just see something. Let me grab this tool. I have an extension called Color Picker. It's pretty cool where you can do this, and then I can get what the hex value is of that item. And then once I know that, I think I'll ask it to like update this to fit that design in. Let's see. Keep it colorful. Use red, black, gray, blue. Start with where the red variants. Do I have a blue? There's a blue. Does that go with it? I mean, I think it looks good. Let me just grab it. I mean, I don't want that purple or whatever that is that it's got on there. I'm not sure if you can see what I'm doing because I'm not sure if it's going to record the actual Chrome extension and what it's doing. Basically, you click on it and then you hover over what you want, and then when you go back to the Chrome extension, it shows you that color. The buttons, please use colors. Please use additional design colors that work well with the. All right. So let's make a design adjustment, and my whole thinking here is it'll just integrate better with my brand and just fit better. That's the reason why I'm making that change, which, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it makes sense. If we don't like it, we could always undo it. No problem. Okay, so I'm not sure the question of this. I hopped over here to just ask that I'm building this online tool, but I also think it makes sense to have it as a public website. And what's the best way to build the tool without requiring users to log in for access? I'm curious to see what it says here. All right, vo.dev is still thinking, so we'll come back there. Public tool with usage limits. Good idea. Rate limits, premium upgrade, paid pro version. It's a good idea. So if I could add value to this, okay, then maybe that makes sense. Tools to make it easy, Gumroad. Yeah, maybe I just make the tool where it doesn't exist on the open web, and it's a private tool, and someone gets access to it when they pay for it. Well, I like this. Let me ask that. Hey, if I want to require users to pay for it, but also have it live online, but maybe should I make it where it's not available on the open web, but still an online tool that I just send them a link to? She says yes. She said that's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. Build the tool, host it on a platform like Vercel, control access, making the URL unlisted. Unlisted, totally. It just means someone that has the link can go to it. Only share the link with paying customers. This makes total sense. Makes total sense to me. So it's like building something that lives on the internet that's hosted, but it's not on the public internet. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I don't know. Kind of a light bulb moment for me. I bet there's thousands of people that build stuff that already do this. Maybe hundreds. No, probably thousands in the world. That's like a light bulb for me. I'm like, wait a minute, that makes total sense. All right, here we go. I don't like it as much. It's a little uglier, but that's my fault, right? At least I have the blue right. Got that red, but it's doing a good job. Doing a good job here. All right, it totally works. Probably need to change some of this black. This black bar needs to be a different color, right? Probably needs to be that blue, maybe. If I go middle of the road for everything, what do we have? I like these logos. That's pretty cool. Probably change the colors on that stuff. And I can easily make a video describing like how I built this, why I built this. I can show the main spreadsheet and say, look, man, like this is free. You know, you can access that for free. It's a public document, but that this is a tool built out of, you know, all of that information. I could even show them this video right here. Like, hey, if you want to see how it was built and how I went through and like built this tool out, watch the video. Sweet. All right. This is great. This is all I've got for today. I'm going to have to, I have more messages, but I'm running out of time. 30 or 40 minutes. I've got to come back, and we'll come back and do some more design element stuff, test it some more. But really, really feeling good with where this tool's going. See ya.